If you want to grow or fix your lawn for cheap, not buying any turf, not seeds, not even spending a single penny, then you should definitely watch this video. You don't even spend too much time on it. All you need is patience.
When you see your lawn overgrowing like this, don't cut it off. You can actually make a new lawn out of these things. So just gently pull it out from dirt to hopefully come with some roots. Yeah, there's a little bit, not too much. Try another one. Like that. So that one comes with the roots. That's good. Then you can put that in the dirt. Make sure it's watered frequently, and you can make new lawn out of it. It's very easy because you can easily gather a whole bunch of those from your overgrown lawn and make new lawn out of those. So we found a pretty good one. See, it has quite a few roots on one side, and the other side is the new growth. There's no roots. Basically, roots is gonna come out from those knots. So keep those close to the dirt so that it will stimulate the roots to grow. So I have a patch of dirt which is, not covered by any lawn. So I'm gonna dig a little trench here, put it in, cover with dirt. So hopefully the roots will grow back. Or you can see there are many patches like this. I did try to fix the lawn. This one was really down, and that one is actually starting to grow, which is nice. And all like those are nice, starting to grow. Well, some not so good, like this one. I think it's pretty much about to die, and that one is not good. Alright, so this is another grass that I just put out from my lawn, and look at this. It's got pretty good, strong, healthy roots. So it's very easy to propagate from those. So what I'm gonna do, that's another method, that I'm gonna put those in a plastic container. And this is like my lunchbox. So bury them with some dirt. Of course it's too long, that's pretty long. I'm gonna cut somewhere like this. So some of them will be exposed to the sun, and some of them will be buried in the dirt to keep them moist. So hopefully the roots will start growing and they will send new shoots. Then they can be used for transplanting. So I'm gonna here, okay. Then just throw some dirt in. Alright, just in a few weeks, look at this. My grass has exploded. I believe they are ready for a transplant. Look at this. Very nice. It has grown so much. From a little grass cut to this patch. So I will transplant this into my floor. Okay, so I have already dug a hole roughly the same size as this plastic bin. What I'm gonna do is I need to flip this, take this out, and put it in. Require some techniques for one-hand operation. I will try. Keep recording. Wow, do this. Okay, look at this. Look at the beautiful roots. That means it's very healthy and it's ready to go. So just put in. Wow, look at this. So nice. Of course, you need to add a little bit dirt to fill up the gap. This is the easy part. Just fill a little bit dirt. Make the surface flat. Then I think you need a lot of water. Just like this. Okay, just throw them on. The grass, they're not afraid of being buried by dirt because they can penetrate and grow back. So a lot of water. Make sure that it's completely soaked, and that will help the roots fully contact with the water. Alright. I'll usually use my little towel to flatten it a little bit. When the water has dissipated, you can actually come back, see if there's any hole or places need to be filled up. And then that, it's pretty much ready to go. A few more places like this one I just put it in. Oh, look at the empty sad tray. And that one was down a while ago and they've been growing pretty good. Same as this and that. This is an example of the way that I used to grow my lawn back in the yard, and you can see those grass are coming from everywhere, and gradually they will cover the whole dirt area and finally make my lawn back. So there are some spots still not covered by grass, but you can see the grass are growing, into this area gradually, and eventually it will be all covered. So other weeds will not be able to, germinate again because it's going to be completely covered. But before that, you just, keep working on it, just pull out those weeds, and eventually the whole area will be nice and covered with lawn. So this corner now looks really nice, but I started with those things, just some overgrowns from my other corner of the yard. I transplant them using my methods, and after a year of work, it looks pretty nice. It's completely covered, it's nice and uniformed. Look how thick it is. And now I start to get other overgrowns, and I'm gonna put them out. And look at this, nice roots.
If the nature can do it, why should I spend money to speed up? As you can see, giving enough water, sunshine, and patience, I got my beautiful lawn back in a year. Thank you for watching.